In my last video, if this video gets 30 likes, I will bleach my hair. You guys proved that you care about issues, but you also proved that you care only about halfway about issues. Now, because you showed you cared, I'm gonna be completing my promise. I will be bleaching about half of my head. And if you don't understand, it's a powerful metaphor, a moving statement about you guys only care about halfway about issues. And so, okay, you might be thinking like, aren't you supposed to like know what you're doing? And that's actually not true. People on the internet are saying like, it's really important that you do this. It's really important, do, toner. It's like, yeah, it's really important, but in what context? They be acting like they be doctors. And honestly, doctors, shocking, expressive. Also, I'm not saying like don't listen to them, but I'm just saying like it's not of the utmost importance. Alright, we have sectional divided my hair into, this is gonna be the bleach, and then this is gonna be regular. And if you don't understand, it's a powerful metaphor. It straight up smells like Pop Rocks. It kinda looks like Pop Rocks. We've poured the Pop Rocks. We've started putting it in. This is how it's being. I don't know what the back looks like, but hopefully it's kinda good. Alright, I finished putting it all in. It's pretty wet looking. The next step is to put a plastic bag over your head, which sounds like it'd be a joke, but it's not. I actually used to put a lot of plastic bags over my head in school. There's actually a good technique. So you do this, you rotate the handles, put them around your ears, and voila. Fun fact, this is a TikTok trend in 2023. It warms up all the bleach. Yeah, that was one of their important instructions. You wanna know what's important if you ask me? Issues. It stings a little, it hurts a little, but it's a good kind of pain. It's like the kind of pain like when you put your hand in a blender. Like it feels. Something about natural oils. Alright, it has been 1/2 of 1 hour. Whoa! I'm gonna go take it out of my hair. Catch the uncensored version on my secret channel. Now, that is a compelling metaphor. Looks like kind of a powerful metaphor. Remember to smash that like button. The bell, the subscribe. Yeah.